How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to use Afterpay or add the Afterpay payment gateway to your Square account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys have your account and your store set up for SquareUp or Square, you're ready to add some payment methods to it, such as Afterpay. So to do it is quite simple. All you guys have to do is once you're in the dashboard, you want to click on the three lines that signify the menu or the admin console, and then you want to click on more, and you want to click on settings, checkout, and payment. So basically follow this path right here. So you go more, settings, checkout, and payment. So this will take you to the transactions page where you get to configure your payment methods as well as your means of adding payment gateways and whatnot. So what you would want to do here is once you're in the payment page is you want to click on the option that says all payment types, right? So once you're here, you want to click on configure Afterpay, as Afterpay's integrations are already built into the website, and all you have to do is log into your account and set it up. So it says here that you'll be directed to your dashboard via a web browser where you would need to toggle the in-person setting. So you can toggle this to on or off, but basically you want to turn it on. And normally SquareUp would actually take you through a series of steps and instructions on how to set up your Afterpay for it. And it's quite simple. I can tell you guys that all you have to do is log in, authenticate, and you should be good to go. So once you have all of that going for you, you hit save and you guys should be good to go. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.